Hello students, a very warm welcome to your EVS class. Students, we are in the second chapter, Inside Your Body. Now I had explained the whole of the chapter to you in the last class. Today we will do a detailed study. Okay, now first of all, when you see your body from outside, what are the things you're able to see? You're able to see that the whole body is covered with the skin. You're able to see hair, eyes, nose, hands, legs, nails, ears. But inside your body also there are different types of organs. There are different parts which you're not able to see. They are covered by the skin, they are covered by the muscles. They are also great importance for your body. They are helping in the proper functioning of the body. So in this chapter basically we are going to see the parts of the body which are lying inside the skin, okay, which is inside, we are not able to see. So these parts are very important and these parts are known as organs. So organs are different parts of the body which do a particular function. Like the eye, it is one organ which is helping you to see. Your ears, they are other organ which is helping you to hear. Nose is one of the organs which is helping you to breathe and smell things. Then apart from this, there are the stomach, your intestine, heart, lungs. These are all internal organs. Okay. So we are basically we are going to see about these organs which are present inside the body in this chapter. All right. Now see, from the outside of the body, when you see, I said that the whole body is covered with the skin. And how do you get the shape of the body? It is due to the skeleton. Okay, that the body is getting a particular shape. Skeleton is what? It is the framework of bones. कंकाल, यहाँ पे देख रहे हो ना ये picture? This is called the skeleton. And it is made up of large number of bones which is giving support to the body, shape to the body and helping the body to move. And this skeleton is covered with muscles. इसके ऊपर क्या है? Muscles है. And muscles के ऊपर skin है. Alright. So this skeleton is the internal part of the body. Then there are many organs which is present inside the framework of bones, like your rib cage. छाती के पास एक केज जैसा बना हुआ है, एक पिंजरा जैसा बना हुआ है. यहाँ पे जो ये देख रहे हो उसके अंदर बहुत सारा ऑर्गन्स प्रोटेक्ट रहता है, लाइक योर हार्ट एंड द लंग्स. ओके. then below the rib cage, this area, it is known as the abdomen. Okay. Here also many internal organs are protected, like your stomach, your intestine. Okay, these are protected inside the abdomen. So we are going to see everything one by one. Then one more important thing which is present inside your body is the blood. The blood, it is very important for whole of the body because it is through the blood only that the food, oxygen which is needed by the body is given to every part of the body. And bloods, how, sorry, not bloods, blood, how it flows throughout your body with the help of pipe, and these pipes are known as veins and arteries. Okay. Now what is the difference between veins and arteries? Just see. The arteries, here the arteries, they will carry oxygen and food, means वो लोग pure blood carry करते हैं. The arteries are pipe which carries the pure blood. उस blood में oxygen रहता है. It carries the food which is needed by the body. ठीक है. जब ये pure blood carry कर रहा है तो कहाँ से carry करेगा? Heart के through carry करेगा. Heart pure blood को arteries के through पूरे body में circulate करता है. Now another pipe-like structure which carry the blood, it is the veins. Okay, it is the veins. These carry the impure blood, means इस blood में कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रहता है and जो body को ज़रूरत नहीं है चीज़ें, waste material, it carries with it. And ये वेस्ट मटेरियल्स हम लोग आगे पढ़ेंगे. ब्लड किडनी में भेजता है जो बॉडी के बाहर निकल जाता है. कुछ हमारे सांसों के द्वारा भी बाहर निकलता है, जैसे कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड ऑल. So arteries and veins are the network of pipes which helps to carry the blood all over the body. So this is also internal thing present in the body, the blood. Now see here, very good diagram is given here. Okay, this diagram shows the internal structure, the parts of the internal organs. Like we are seeing the head from outside, but inside it lies the brain. So this is the internal organ. Then there are bones. Your face is having made up of bones. अगर आप अपने गाल को टच करोगे, you will see there is a cheek bone, there is a chin bone. So this is the internal organs. Then there are the muscles which we are, हम लोग अगर टच करते हैं, जो कुशन जैसा चीज़ हमें महसूस होता है, those are the muscles and fats. There is a liver. Okay, then heart, lungs, ये कहाँ पे, rib cage से protected रहता है. Then there are the stomach, large intestine, small intestine. It is protected by the abdomen. So these are all the internal organs which is present inside the body. All right. So today we will do only this much. Next we will see the rest part in the next class. Thank you, students.